So if we all take a deep breath and then we look all the way around, what do we see that's really big and that's different? What about the cottage? The roof? Oh. Oh, it was Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Okay, let's go down.
I got peanuts.
Go down.
That's just peanuts. I just have two peanuts.
Okay. Straight through, straight through. What do we see? What do you know?
Well, maybe I know.
What else? What else? Oh, yeah, they're working on their waterfront. But let me clean this up. Look, the trees have been trimmed.
Oh, I didn't actually look at the trees. Did you trim them?
We have to support that there.
But also with a soap too.
Yeah. See how low the water level is?
It's not that big of a deal.
Here. If you can pull it, that would be great. If not.
The root from this tree.
Are you sure you don't want gloves, Elizabeth? Okay. That's from another tree.
Can you pull on it, Jill? He's like right there. Kind of. Oh,
That
this
root.
one.
Yeah, that's the tap root you're talking about. There's another big one down here. Oh no, it's not. Where? Oh, this one.
Yeah, that
okay.
one was cut.
So that's the only one that's left holding on right now.
Big piece of wood. This is a big one.
Yeah. You might have to cut it.
I wouldn't do that. Like this root.
Can you dig it out with that little thing there?
Look, we saved it. There's taproot. Oh, there's your little guy.
Okay.
Get him in.
We got to get him in. So let's go to the front. And we should take one of those bags of soil. Where are the kids?
Carter, Eva.
Eva and Carter, where are you? I think you're inside.
Can we just kind of confirm? The what? But they can't go.
Something with this tree fixed, so if you want to sap off. Oh my goodness.
Everything.
Where's the other dog?
Grab the cottage. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab my towel for a second. But these are a bit intense. The idea.
You know what's wrong with Squeakwag River? It is nothing but a mud trap. It's a man-made river. So
Coming
people
in?
dug out the river.
Coming in the water, Mom? No.
Whoever put this
Huh?
in belly.
I don't have a baby.
That's
Bring
the
one
way
next time.
the body. Honestly, that's the only reason I would.
Yeah, close your mouth.
Yeah, bugger. Sit the mask. Yeah, that's the downside of those dogs. The good side is. You know what else you do? Hold it like this and blow it on your back. Yeah, ready? Now gently keep your feet from up. Gently. Yep, just like that. You see? He's not really. It's you that's swimming like that. Try it. Want to take that home for you, understand? It's seagrass. It's exactly what it is. It's just seagrass. There's a whole bunch of it all over the place. It just sits mostly in the center of the pond because you can put it in the water. Because not as big as that stuff. Can't take it down into the water. The only thing I could do is if it was like really amphibious, like do it super close to the stone. They're in the water anyways, like they're gonna get wet. Because you're gonna slow down.
Ryder, come out with us. Look how far out
We're
you
not gonna
guys.
throw you off. We might. Well, we'll do that sometime. If it's not today, we'll go out tomorrow or
up on this stuff. It feels so gross.
You hold on to the center like that, you got it?
It's sad.
Take one hand and go like
I'm
that.
gonna rake maybe tomorrow. Huh? I'm gonna rake.
Oh, it's so cold down there.
Yeah, it's cold down.
Oh, you just picked up some cold water.
Really, cupcakes. Swimming is kind of exhausting.
Now hold it right against the belly like I showed you before. Now use, no, hold it with your one hand. Hold it tight.
Come on, as far, like not as far as you can go further. Walk with me. Okay. Crouch down, put the board in front of you. Two arms straight out. Push off. Come to me. You're okay. Come. Try to push
I'll
off.
show you the same way I showed you, but take the board. No, go. Yeah, go ahead a little bit further.
I'm
No, no, here.
I know. Get out. Get your feet off. Come. Push. Kick. You're okay. Kick. Hang tight.
Eva, what are you doing with a cookie? In the lake. Aren't you afraid of fishes?